Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my usual weekly technical analysis outlook videos in which I will comment on what I think will happen to some FX crosses and equities. As always, before I begin, I want to clarify that this is not a solicitation or recommendation to enter into long or short positions in the names that I will mention in this video, nor do I have existing positions in them. This is not financial advice, and if you're using this content as a guide to trade, you are doing so at your own risk. Alright, let's start. These are the names that I've covered in the past and I will review them in this video. I have put in timestamps, so use them to get to the names that interest you. I noted on 19th of April, 2 weeks ago, that I expect the dollar index to soon enter the correction phase. Since then, the DXY is slightly higher and is diverging further from the lower Bollinger. As noted previously, this is the correction phase of the head and shoulders top, and usually corrections would lead price action slightly above the neckline, in this case 103.12. After this correction, I expect the DXY to enter into the bearish resumption phase, targeting the textbook target at 96.22. The opposite of the DXY is of course the euro dollar. In the same video on the 19th of April, I highlighted that euro dollar could soon enter into the correction phase of a head and shoulders bottom, a bullish pattern. I believe the correction is underway. During this correction phase, euro dollar is expected to return to around the neckline 1.0955 first, before resuming the upside to target the 117.17 textbook target. Take caution that a decline below the 107.33 will invalidate this bullish pattern. It was just last week that I'd highlighted in the Aussie Kiwi that it may be forming a falling wedge, a bullish pattern. Now this bullish pattern was completed over here on the 28th of April, and I'm now technically bullish on the Aussie Kiwi, and you can see that price action has actually rallied after breaking out of the resistance trend line. It has closed above the 20-day simple moving average, telling us that there should be further upside. The textbook target of Aussie Kiwi is at 1.0955. In the video on the 6th of April, I noted that Totalenergies is in the bearish resumption phase. A week later, Totalenergies fell to a low of 47.64, which is about 85.7% of the textbook target at 45.95. Now the rebound of the last 2 weeks was due to price action overextending below the lower Bollinger, and I believe it's just a form of correction. I am ready to cease coverage on this name because the bearish pattern is deemed successful, but I will wait a few weeks more just to see if the textbook target is actually reached. That's the end of my sharing. I will give updates to these crosses and names only when there are meaningful development, and in the next video, it will highly likely be on new crosses and new names. If you like what I'm doing, please help me out by giving me a like. Please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos like this.